we are in the cab sprayer machine John Deere R4045. All buttons can controls to be more use friendly. Starting back. Right here on this keypad, to the starting here on the top. This is kind of enable all sections or disable all sections. So as we push that button, we enable all 9 sections of this particular sprayer, actually 11 sections. If you want to shut each sections off, if we only want unfold of boom once, what we can do is just manually shut off like L4, L3 and L4, L3, and then we could just spray with the single boom unfolded. As we work our way to the right, these are just kind of user buttons for display. If you would happen to have a touch screen fail, we got our home button, and then check mark in the here. Pretty simple. And then on the back, we actually have some soft keys for our radio. Makes it more user friendly, so we don't have reach up to touch the radio. We have some light buttons, 1 and 2, for different programming in our lights. This button here is actually for our boom lights. If we are wanting to spray in the dark, we are having some issues seeing the outside of the boom. This particular spray actually have beacon lights. That button is right here, and our hazard. As we work this way through the main console here, on the very back side is our manual parking brake. Physically push this on and off to activate. Our ladder lower, there is just left on the right. The bottom right here in front is our transport button. If you push it, that will eliminate the chance of the solution pump. This one, our last option for brake. This is spring loaded bottom. Typically our handrail handle. If you move it to park, it will stop the machine. We also still have a manual brake pedal. But this in bad situation, this is going to be our last option. This is going to be used in the bad situation. The hydro handle have the former button here at the top. We got left form, right form, and then if you push directly down in the middle, that will turn your form off. This particular sprayer has a transmission wrench here. Our master spray, master off button and on and off button is going to be right here, with the solution pump on, and then engage that will light up. We have right tilt, right boom tilt up and down, and left tilt boom up and down. And then our main rise and lower boom on the center section. The other buttons here at the top of the heater handle will disable the sections.